Okay, guys, I've always been telling you that the support and the resistance zone can be broken. Okay, no matter how strong it can still be broken. Okay, so you should always prepare for that. You should always have it at the back of your mind that even if the market is heading towards the support region or the resistance zone, then definitely you should have it at the back of your mind that it can also be broken. That is why you need to learn the trend trading strategy very well so that you can milk the market within the trend trading strategy. I mean, the within the trend and use the support and resistance zone as a backup for whatever you are doing. Okay, so this is very, very important, and I'm going to highlight all these in this video so that you can have a better trading strategy. Okay, now, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay. And of course, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I'll also be there to reply you. Okay. So if you should notice, this got to the resistance zone at this point, and it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. And of course, that works well because it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it changed the direction of the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend at this point. Okay, so you can see we got the red color here, so which happened to be a downtrend signal, and of course, the red arrow is what we should follow at this point, and which happens to be a sell signal. And it's so till this very end. This is 15 minutes time frame. That's amazing. So this particular asset got to the support region at this point. It didn't break out below it. It changed the direction of the trend to an uptrend. You can see it, the yellow flag. And of course, it started buying right from there till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it gave us a downtrend signal again. And this sold. Okay, it sold till it got to this same support zone at this point, but this time around it broke out below it. Check it out. This is where it got to the support region. Okay, but this time around it broke out below it. At first, there was resistance around here. Okay, it was unable to break it easily, but it later broke out below it, and of course to give us more selling opportunity. So what am I saying? Okay, if there is a breakout from the support or the resistance zone, it will only continue the direction with the direction of the trend that it was following before. For instance, if there is a breakout above the resistance zone, it will keep on buying. And if there is a breakout below the support zone, just the way we have here, it will give us more selling opportunity. Okay, so that is how it works. Remember, this is 15-minute time frame. You can imagine breaking out from here, okay, gives one opportunity to sell more and get to this particular region. This is 16 candles. Do your calculation, 16 times 15. That's a lot of hours spent, okay, trying to make more money right from here. So that is how amazing it is. So the support region and the resistance zone are very, very important, okay, and they can be broken and they can also be respected. It depends on the market movement. Okay, so this is very, very important. However, above all, the trend is more important in all this. You can see when it was on downtrend, it came down right from the resistance zone till the very end of the trend. Okay, and right now it's trying to go back on uptrend, and we are most likely to see more buying opportunity right from there. I hope you have gotten this part of it. Okay, so if you have more question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. And of course, if you want to reach out to me personally, you can also contact me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. However, I will be stopping right there in case you have any question. You know what to do already. Okay, so you can join me in my next video. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.